Nucleus and Nucleolus. Nucleus. I. The nucleus is the main organelle. 2. It is mostly present in the center of the cell. 3. It is membrane-bound. 4. The nucleus contains DNA. V. It contains hereditary material in the form of chromosome and genes and controls all. V. It contains hereditary material in the form of chromosome and genes and controls all the activities of the cell. Nucleolus. I. The nucleolus is a suborganelle. 2. It is present in nucleus. 3. It is non-membrane bound. 4. It contains RNA. V. It takes part in protein formation.